Next, international system of units. Already we studied three system of units. What they are? Yes, that is FPS, CGS and MKS. Which one is a British system? Yes, the FPS is the British system. Which one is metric system? That is CGS and MKS. These are metric system. Okay, now international system of units. In earlier days, scientists performed their experiments and recorded their results in their own system. Different countries follow the different systems, so the communication is lacking because one country follow the CGS, another country follow the FPS. Means how can to understand the units? So misunderstanding the units. So, due to the lack of communication, they couldn't organize experimental results of others. So, they planned to follow a uniform system for taking the measurements. So, all the countries planned follow the same unit, that is international system. Okay. As you studied in lower classes in 1960, in the 11th General Conference on Weight and Measures at Paris in France. 1916 conduct the 11th General Conference. The topic is weight and measures at Paris in France. Which place in the conduct the conference? Paris in France. Scientists recognize the need of using standard units for physical quantities. That was called as international system of unit. The international system of unit discussed by weight and measures. That was called the international system of units and is popularly known as the SI system. The SI system is international system of units and is the popularly known as SI system, abbreviated the French name because the conference conducted in France, so the French name is Système International. Scientists choose 7 physical quantities as the base quantities and defined as a standard unit. The base quantities, the 7 base quantities, that is standard unit. How many standard unit? 7 standard unit are base quantities. To measure each one, they are known as base units or fundamental units. This is very, very, very important. Base quantities and units. Quantity, length. You have to measure the length. Unit is meter. The symbol is m. Dear students, you have to write in symbol. The small letter means you have to write only small letter. Use capital means capital. Don't write in cursive. Do you understand? M means single m. Then kg. Don't write in cursive kg. The small k, then small g. Okay. The quantity length, unit is meter, symbol is m. Next, mass. You know the difference between mass and weight. Mass is another. Due to the gravity, that is mass. Due to the gravity, that is weight. Mass is the particular substance, that is mass. Kilogram, kg, small k and small g. Time, second, small s. Temperature, Kelvin, capital K. Electric current, ampere. You have to write unit. You have to write means small a, mpere, but you have to write in symbol capital A. Okay. Amount of substance, mole, mole, but symbol is mol, mole. Luminous intensity, candela, the symbol is CD. You know the difference, unit and symbol. Okay, symbol means the single letter or double letter. Unit, one word, meter, kilogram, second, that like. Are you understand? This is very, very important. This is one of the detailed questioning. Okay. Next, you have already studied about length, mass and time in our lower classes. 6th and 7th we are deeply discussed in length, mass, time. But now you are going to study about the other base quantities such as the temperature, current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. How many base quantities ma? Yes, that is 7. What they are? Yes, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay. In this lesson, we have to discuss about only temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. That's all. Are you understand? Okay. Okay, dears. Today we had learned what is physics, then what is measurement, then various type of unit system, what are the things needed for perfect measurement, then SI units, then 7 base quantities and units. Okay. Okay, next take page number 9, mark the book back questions. First Roman, choose the best answer. First one, which one of the following systems of unit is British system of unit? Already we studied the 3 units, what they are, SCGS, MKS, then FPS. Okay, then here asking the which one is British system. Which one is British system? Yes, that is FPS. FPS is the British system. Okay, next electric current is a dash quantity. Electric current is the dash quantity, that is the base quantity. 7 base quantities. The one is electric current. Time, mass, length, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. These are base 7 quantity. Answer is base. Then third one, SI unit of temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin. That's all. Then choose the best answer. Next question answer. Page number 10. 6th Roman. How many base quantities are included in SI system? How many base quantities ma? Yes, that is 7. 7. Okay. How many base quantities are included in SI system? 7 base quantities. Next, third one, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? SI unit. Understand the question. SI unit, not a symbol. SI unit, that is candela. Okay, answer is candela. CANDELA, candela. Okay. Next is 7th Roman. What is measurement? Page number 1. Page number 1. Here mark. It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Up to this. Then 6th Roman, first question. Okay. Next, 8th Roman, answer in detail. List out the base quantities with their units. Page number. You have to write this tabulation, the fully. Okay, then 8th Roman, first question. Okay, dears, mark the question answer. You have to mark 3 2-mark question, then 1 5-mark question. Okay, dears, watch the videos thoroughly and study well and get ready for test. Okay, dears, thank you.